today on the Creative Life with Kendra. Today is my husband's birthday and I want to do something special for him. Usually I'm not the cake baker. He's actually the baker in the family. He does cakes, brownies. I can do my cobblers and sometimes an occasional pie, but me, I'm not the sweets cooking person, but I will eat them. So today I want to do a chocolate cake for him. He said one of his favorite cakes is German chocolate. I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna try to do a dairy-free chocolate cake for him. The reason being is because I wanna eat some of the cake, but I don't handle dairy too well. So I'm not gonna tell him that it's dairy-free, and I'm also gonna omit the eggs. In the recipe, I am gonna make him a special whipped cream frosting just for his piece, not for mine, or and probably for the kids' piece. They can have the whipped cream frosting, but I know I won't be able to handle it. So I am going to, this is just on the whim filming. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm not going to taste it until he tastes it, so I'm going to try to get his live reaction to see if he really likes it. I hope he does. He's the type of person, if he doesn't like it, he'll tell me. So we're really going to see how it turns out. It's going to be a little different than a regular pancake. I'm going to use cookie sheets and I'm going to decorate them, hopefully pretty enough to make them look halfway decent. But let's go ahead and get started with this cake that I have no idea what I'm doing with, so follow along with me, guys. Sitting in here about 15 minutes, well, not about, it has been 15 minutes. I did a cake test and it was coming out clean, so I actually didn't trust it, so I stuck the fork all the way through to the bottom to make sure that it was done, and it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these babies out and let them cool off, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do next, and the next part is the part I'm excited about. Thank you for joining me on this bust of a cake today. I'm still gonna give it to him. I have other gifts for him besides this cake. I just want to do something special. So if you guys like following along with my mess ups and want to see what other food that I have that I know I can cook for you guys, go ahead and hit that ding button below so you can get all the notifications when I post a new video. Thank you guys for dealing with me today and putting up with my mess. Now I have to clean my kitchen, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you follow me, subscribe, like, comment, just to see what I have next week.
Babies.
Wherever you put the man. It's right here. It's cracked.
It tastes good. It's frozen. I mean, but how does it taste?
It tastes good.
Brain freeze. Peace.